Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do biography. Biographical sketch or biosketch is a brief summary of a person's life, achievements. It includes professional, educational accomplishments, publications and affiliations that highlights important aspects of his teaching, etc. Now, what are the important things coming in biographical sketch? While writing the bio sketch, you have to think about all these important rules. It should be written in third person. It should outline important events of person's life, including experiences and competencies and interests. Special awards and recognition be mentioned. Emphasis on portraying a person in an admirable manner. An example of biographical sketch format. Name and age will come. Main personality traits will come. Special interests, education and training, special contribution or research, if any. Why people like him or her. About all these things you will mention in your answer. Now we will solve one question of biosketch. On the basis of the information provided in the box below, write a short biosketch of Abraham Lincoln. This is the question, and this information also you will get in biosketch questions. Born 1809 in northern Kentucky. Family: father wealthy farmer, lost his land when Lincoln was 7, moved to Indiana. Mother died when he was 9. Family moved to Illinois soon after. Education: little formal education. Loved to read. Studied law by reading law books. Became a lawyer in 1837. Springfield, Illinois. These are the information you will surely get in the question of biosketch. About birth, about family, about education. And as Abraham Lincoln was a political person, later on he became President of America. So about his political career also you will get the information in the questions remaining part. Yes, political career began early, served in state legislature in the US House of Representatives, gifted speaker, speeches against slavery, nomination for presidency, won in 1860, re-elected in 1864. Death: assassinated by John Wilkes, born on April 15, 1865, remembered for wisdom, compassion, patriotism. And now your answer, as it is the past personality, everything you will write in past tense. If you are writing about a living personality, then the previous thing will come in past tense and the running situations will come in present tense. Answer starts. Answer will be written in one paragraph only. In 1809, Abraham Lincoln was born to a wealthy farmer family in northern Kentucky. When he was 7 years old, his father lost his farming land and the family moved to Indiana. At the age of 9 years old, after his mother passed away, his family moved to Illinois for livelihood. You can check, dear students, everything came in past tense because Abraham Lincoln, whatever had happened already happened in past. And another thing you have to keep in your mind, everything will come in past tense and entire bio sketch you will write in one paragraph only. Abraham had little formal education but had a strong interest in books and learning. He studied law books as his own and started his career as lawyer in 1837. Springfield, Illinois. He soon moved into politics and served in state legislature in the U.S. House of Representatives. He was a talented orator. In his speeches, he talked about abolition of slavery. Finally, he was nominated and became the president in 1860. In 1864, he was re-elected as president. He was shot by John Wilkes Booth. See, dear students, you need not to add anything from your own side. Only the given information you have to manage in proper language. Everything is written in past tense and all the information were already given in the question itself. Wilkes Booth on April 15, 1865. Abraham Lincoln is often remembered for his wisdom, compassion, and patriotism that led him to the nation's highest office because he became President of America as well. So this way, dear student, biography or bio sketch is important question and it's also not very difficult to understand. Whatever informations are given to you, you have to arrange them accordingly. And tense is also very important. If it is a all the things happened in past, so you will use past tense for that. Thank you everyone.